Welcome to our YouTube channel Score Band. Here you will get tips and tricks about how to get good band scores in exam. In this video you will learn about a sample answer of a cue card, describe an actor or actress whom you admire. But before starting the cue card, we request you that, if you have any queries related to any cue card, you are free to ask us in the comments section, and we will try to solve your queries as soon as possible, and make sure to subscribe the channel. So let's get started with the cue card. Describe an actor or actress whom you admire. In this cue card you have to speak about an actor or actress whom you admire. Here is the sample answer. Entertainment is something that no one can live without. Movie celebrities have always influenced the masses on a huge scale. There are many popular movie actors who are living legends and they have a huge fan following. People get together to see a glimpse of them. Some of them are known for their larger-than-life attitude, and others are well known just because of their acting. Here I am going to talk about my favorite movie star, Ranbir Kapoor. He is the heartthrob of Bollywood and has a huge number of fans in all age groups. Ranbir is fair and has decent height. Along with good looks, he has a charming personality and excellent communication skills. He is also aware about fitness, so his body is also well maintained. I have seen him playing football many times in the media. He even owns a team and encourages the youth to play games. He appeared in several movies and made a mark. His versatile acting skills attracted an audience recently when I watched his movie Sanju, which is a biopic on another popular Bollywood actor. He portrayed the character in the most effective way. I have also watched his romantic and comedy movies which were fun to watch. He played a role of politician in the movie Rajniti, which was excellent. I admire him as he looks the most handsome and has an attractive personality. His acting skills are unbelievable. I feel he can do justice to any character given to him, so I admire this actor. So this was the sample answer, and if you still face any difficulties then ask your doubts in comments section.